Today I'm giving you my honest review of the Ooni Volt 2 after using it for 3 months. Let's do it. If you're wondering whether this electric pizza oven is worth the money, whether it actually performs indoors or whether it's just hype, this video will answer every question. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Ellie and I've been reviewing and cooking using portable pizza ovens since 2017, starting with the original Ooni 3. I'll cover the technical advantages, the real usability benefits, the design touches that make it different, and how it has completely changed the way I cook pizza at home. Before we get into the features, let's talk about why the Ooni Volt 2 matters. Electric pizza ovens are still new territory for home cooks. Most portable pizza ovens like the Coda and the Karoo ovens are gas and wood fueled. The Volt 2 steps into that space as it's fully electric, and it's fully indoor safe, promises consistency, control and simplicity. After 3 months of testing it, I can confidently say this oven isn't just another option, it changes the whole experience of making pizza at home. The design is the first thing you notice. The Volt 2 has that Scandi-Inspired white body with black detailing. It looks modern, clean and minimal, nothing like a traditional pizza oven. If your oven lives on your kitchen worktop, the aesthetic matters, and I love the lights. It blends with modern interiors, it looks premium, and it feels like a proper appliance, not a gadget. And the build matches the look. Solid panels, a thick sturdy front door, a firm handle, no rattling or cheap components. It feels engineered and as though Ooni wanted to set a new standard for electric pizza ovens. The biggest technical benefit is simple. The electricity means consistency. No flames, no wind, no cold weather struggles. You set a temperature and the Volt 2 stays there. This changes everything for pizza cooks. For the first time, I can test dough recipes and rely on the oven behaving the same every single cook. Gas ovens always have variables, weather, fuel, flame, flow, and wind direction. The Volt 2 removes all of that. If you value more predictable results, electric is the way forward. One of the biggest lifestyle benefits is indoor cooking. If it's rainy, if it's windy, if it's freezing cold, no problem. In the autumn, and now it's really into the deep winter, this has been my favorite perk, being able to cook inside with a really good pizza oven. You just plug it in on the counter, set your dial, and you cook. And it works in every season, every hour, any room with a socket. And cooking pizza becomes a year-round hobby instead of a seasonal event. A lot of ovens include presets and they are so useful. The presets automatically adjust the heat depending on the style you're cooking, like Neapolitan, New York, pan pizza, or you can have your own manual custom mode. Each preset is tuned for real performance, and the Neapolitan mode ensures you get that high heat for fast leopard spotting. The New York style lowers the heat for a longer cook, and the pan pizza preset will keep things even and steady. And for beginners, presets stop all the guesswork. And for advanced cooks, they're a convenient starting point before refining your own settings. The Volt 2 solves the #1 problem with pizza ovens: visibility, or being able to see your pizza cook. Pizza ovens with doors where you can't see through. I've been moaning about it for years, I have to say. I'm going to admit that. And this one has a really big, large glass window, covers the whole of the internal oven so I can see the right side, the left side and the back, and it's got a really nice bright light inside. That's a lovely colour that matches the look of real flames but not too orangey. And this big window allows you to see the dough rise. You see the cheese melt and you can see the browning develop with the cheese. You can also see it burning if you leave it for too long in the oven. And you don't have to open the door constantly because it's got a thermostat. You also need a digital laser thermometer. You always have to have one of those. Even though these ovens have amazing thermometers, you still need to measure the top of the stone before you put your pizza in. But that's another video. Check out my other videos here in this playlist where I show how you cook pizza in the Ooni Volt 2. You don't have to guess, and because it's electric, you don't have to trust a flame, you're just trusting the pizza intelligence of this oven. This feature alone improves consistency more than people realize. And And now let's talk about performance. This is where the Volt 2 becomes a game changer. From what I've experienced from its pizza intelligence, it means less rotating or no rotating, even browning on the base and the crust, a consistent base texture, less hot and cold spots, and less burnt edges with raw centers. And most ovens blast heat from one direction. This one has heat coming from the top and the bottom, and that gives you a good balance. I'm just getting started using this oven for other dishes, and I'm looking forward to sharing my creations with you. And my dog again is snoring as I make this video. Here he is. Kai, 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 Kai. So the stone size is 13 inches, and that works perfectly for me. You may be looking for a bigger stone, but that would mean more kitchen counter space required and more weight. This oven ticks the box for its size, weight, and how it fits on my countertop. The dough proof option is perfect to use after a cold proof to get the dough back to room temperature, so I can work with room temperature dough in colder weather, which is a huge benefit. The Volt 2 is easily one of the simplest ovens to cook with because the learning curve is small. There's no flame to manage, there's no fuel to top up, there are no wind issues, there's no rotation stress, and there's no flare-ups. It's as close as you can get to plug in, press start, and cook pizza. And for new cooks, it's approachable. And for experienced cooks, it's freeing. It gives you options. This is the first oven where I've cooked more pizzas because the setup is so easy and I can use it indoors. After 3 months of using this oven, I honestly believe it points to the future of pizza cooking at home. Electric ovens offer, and this one in particular, offers precision, modern design, cleaner operation, indoor flexibility, better visibility, and safer use, and repeatable performance. It does feel like Ooni are laying the foundation for what the next generation of pizza ovens will be. So here's my honest conclusion after 3 months. The Ooni Volt 2 is one of the most advanced, user-friendly, reliable pizza ovens you can buy right now. It's not the cheapest, but it's not the most expensive either. The benefits you get are electric precision, indoor cooking, cooks other dishes, the big window, consistent heat, modern design, and most important, it cooks great pizza. It's also got an air filter for the kitchen, making it one of the best overall ovens I've tested. I'm genuinely trying to think of something that it can't do, that I want, that I need, and I can't think of it. And if you want an oven that performs perfectly in any season, produces consistent results, and genuinely makes pizza cooking easier, the Volt 2 is absolutely worth it, in my opinion. So I hope you found this video useful. Let me know if you have bought the Ooni Volt 2, what your thoughts are on it, if you've got any tips, and sharing your experience of using it. And if you're thinking of buying it, let us know what your thoughts are. And if you've got any questions on the Ooni Volt 2, please let me know in the comments below. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, take care, subscribe and like if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!